Can you explain me the system which you are working on?
हाँ माँ. Firstly, we will see this screen. As you see, we are prompted to sign in. We need to sign in with the same mobile number by which we have registered on Arogya Setu. Now we are logged in. So this CoSat system diagnoses COVID-19 infection using 3 stages. The first stage is a face video module. Let's click here. As we can see, this module can help in remote detection of COVID-19 from face video using webcam by extracting features like heart rate, respiratory rate, and heart rate variation from the face video. It is still experimental and will launch in a few seconds. As you can see, it can only recognize heart rate at this moment, but efforts are on to work on the respiratory rate one too. Next, the second stage is a medical imaging module. Let's go to the X-ray one first. Click on the Choose File button to open your chest X-ray image. Now click on Predict to get a prediction probability for infection. As you can see, COVID-19 infection is detected with a 100% probability. Now you can even click on Diagnosis to see the probable area of the infection. Let's go to the CT now. Click on the Choose File button to open your chest CT image in the same way. Now click on Predict to get a prediction probability for infection. As you can see, COVID-19 infection is detected with a 99.9% probability. Now you can click on Diagnosis to see the probable area of the infection. Now, the third and the last stage is an ensemble module which combines self-reported data from Arogya Setu as well as the diagnosis from stage 1 and stage 2 to give an accurate result. It is not yet working. Each user has a user profile. Let's go to the dashboard to see profiling and monitoring module. Along with some of the basic details, we also have diagnosis by AI from all the 3 stages which has been stored here to be correlated by doctors if required. Additionally, self-reported data from the Arogya Setu has been imported by cross-referencing the mobile number of the user to be used by stage 3 of our CoSat system. As you can see here, the combined diagnosis of stages 1, 2 and data from Arogya Setu has been analyzed by stage 3 and I have been advised to be home quarantined. Also, my location found by cross-referencing my IP location and GPS location set by the Arogya Setu app has been sent to concerned authorities for monitoring of my quarantine and quickly respond in case of an emergency.
Wait beta, notification has come. Social distancing begins at home.